Welcome to Gucci Farms.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Show them what we got.
We got
We got peas.
Yeah. We got some peas and some carrots.
We don't have carrots. We got flowers.
Like, those are the carrots.
Nope, these are celery
Celery.
and loofah and cucumbers growing up the trellis.
We have tomatoes.
Tomatoes and flowers and strawberries.
And we get some flowers.
And we get flowers. We got a bunch of green beans ready to come out. We got
What?
tomatoes growing all over. These are all the Roma tomatoes.
Yeah.
And another trellis in the back that has cucumbers and more beans, string beans. We got our, what's this? You remember what that is? Is that our potato bucket?
Yeah.
Growing potatoes. This is Elena's box that has some dahlias in it. And then, don't mind that back area.
I think it's kind of pretty.
Do you remember what this one is?
No, that's so big.
Zucchini,
Oh yeah.
which has,
It looks so big.
so right there and right there, has some zucchini started.
Daddy, that looks so big.
Sunflowers are above. You gonna say hi? Ready, set, go. The entertainment. So sunflowers and more flowers. This is Jocelyn's bed. Has a cherry tomato plant that's growing huge. Peppers, flowers, oregano, thyme, basil. Our blueberries are almost ready. They're getting there. And strawberry plants mixed around. 2 of them.
We have a strawberry.
Yep, and we have a strawberry. We've gotten like 4 or 5 of them this year, I think.
I know.
Right, Lincoln?
I know. I know. I know.
Okay. You guys say bye, Hart.
Bye.
Say thanks for visiting Gucci Farms.
Thank you for visiting Gucci Farms.
Say bye.
Bye.